What's going on, people? Back at it. I know it's been a while. You know how life is, got things going on. But it's time to get this truck out of this goddamn backyard. 95 F150. It's been sitting here for a while now. But I'm trying to get it started. What I'm gonna need is a new starter relay. I think the last time I was trying to start it, it was clicking. I think I came over here with a screwdriver and it fired right on up. So I'm going to the junkyard tomorrow for my old lady's car. So I might as well pick up this. I need to get it running so at least to figure out what's up with this transmission. But it's a legendary 5.0. Like I said, this thing, it does what it needs to. I drove this thing all the way from Philly. It hadn't ran 3 years before I did that, so I got it running and drove it all the way home from Philly. But it's definitely that time. So let me go ahead and get to it and take this relay out so tomorrow morning I know what tools fit. I don't gotta take a whole fucking toolbox out there and whatnot. So let's get started. All right, y'all, I got it out. Now start a relay. Yeah, like I said before. So when I was having to start the truck, so I was having to turn the key to on and then getting a screwdriver or something metal and touching both at the same time, and it was firing back up. So I'm going to the junkyard to see if I can get one of these. If not, I may have to just buy one brand new, but inexpensive really. Like I said, I need to get some oil up in here. I have a battery in the house. So yeah, I'm gonna need some oil. Get this back, put it in here. And if I remember correctly, she should crank right back up, y'all. Like I said, it didn't take much before to get it cranked up when I brought her home from Philly. So, but it hasn't been running for years either though. I kind of just parked it and did away with it. I went and got my motorcycle back on the road because that needed less work. So I got that done throughout the winter time. So my bike is back. Matter of fact, I just need headlights and a gear shifter. But other than that, the bike is ready to go. So now I thought it was about time. Yeah, I thought it was about time to get the truck on the road. But look at that gap, y'all. You see that gap? I ain't got no wheel wells in here. I'm about to get a new tire, a new rim. I can't stand that rim. That's the only one that don't match. I need a new rim for that one, and I need a new tire for this one to pump up. But yeah, that's about it for this right here, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow at the junkyard. Hopefully they got one of those starter relays. But if not, I'm going out there for my old lady's car anyway, so hopefully more than... I wish they got her part more than I need my parts. I just thought I'd grab one when I go. And you know what? I may try to grab a new speedometer or yeah, a new tach and all that. If I can. But y'all, I know it's been a while. I'm pulling this truck out soon. This is what I'm doing this now. I'm bringing it out the backyard, moving to the driveway or the garage, and we're gonna get going. So yeah, see y'all again. See y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Back at it. Back at the junkyard. I told y'all I'd be here tomorrow. I thought I was playing. I know I've been bullshitting with that last video. I think that shit was like December. When was that? Nah. But I'm out here today. Next day, very next day. I ain't lying to y'all. I found exactly what I needed. But I may have left the part that the tool that I needed at the crib. I don't know what I was thinking. Unless pliers can get it. Good old fashioned pliers. But this right here, this looks brand new, y'all. Right, somebody just put this on their truck. So hopefully, and I'm a nut ass. I should have left the bolt in there so I can take it off. I'm a nut. honestly, y'all, this was the last truck in here. I didn't think I was gonna be able to find it. I thought I was gonna just had to go to AutoZone and buy it. And like I was telling her, I mean, I could have. It's only like probably like $20. But we quarantined. We ain't got shit to do. And this is what Backyard Built. Did you notice I changed the name, babe?
Backyard Built.
It's Backyard Built. I changed the name. No more Miles Garage. So I thought I'd come out here and put the work in and take it off myself. And guess what? I'm not gonna be able to.
No.
Oh, I lied. As long as you got some pliers, y'all get the job done. How about that? I don't need that. I gotta put both bolts back in. Tucked up. Yeah, so when you take this little relay switch off, leave the bolts in until you get the wires off. I'm looking like a whole nut. I look like a nut trying to take off some nuts. I should have been done with this shit. Oh, shout out to the pliers. Oh. Like I said, y'all can get the truck started, but I just had to hit this shit with a screwdriver. So I think this is the problem. And this shit look brand new, so it looks like this truck had this problem recently. Cause the thread is still copper color. Boom, bitches. What's it up in? Well, I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow because I think I may take that starter. For some reason, it seems like my motor set up higher. And I think I'm gonna take that tachometer in there. Not tachometer, but it does have a tachometer. So I may take the tachometer and the speedometer. This is everything I need for every single thing. Yeah, I may. Hold up now. It may get taken out. I don't think everything bolted on. Oh. Oh, that's just an oil pressure gauge. Oh, we got one problem though. This truck is a manual. Oh yeah, I can't get that. I need some hex bolts. I see those. And the pliers are gonna be too big to get those. Got my baby out here. I can't believe this. She in the junkyard. Oh, this is the radiator cap. It's metal. This is the radiator.
Oh, okay.
Only thing with this truck is it's a manual.
Does that change a lot? What you need?
I can't take the transmission. I think I may need one of those. I think so. There's another Ford down here. So yeah, but like I said, I had to come for another part. We got her part. We got what she needed. Here go another one, but it don't look as good. Yeah, I'm getting greedy. I just come back. I need to get a door panel for my car. I'm being greedy. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we back at the crib putting it in. First step to getting the truck running again. Look at that, y'all. It look brand new. Well, it just came from AutoZone. So yeah, that's going home with me. Look, y'all, I done did more today on the truck. I done did it months. This is just a start. I hope this shit works. I mean, it look brand new, don't it, babe?
It does.
So this is what I left earlier. And I couldn't get the old one off of pliers. So that's why when I didn't have a part. Blue Jay. Yeah, I couldn't get the old one off with just pliers. So once I seen I didn't have it, I was like, shit, probably not gonna get it. But thank God this is new, so probably that's why it wasn't as bad as mine. Shout out to the camera lady for being here today. It's hard recording by yourself and working on something. You need to buy one of them stands.
What stands?
Sorry, it's just white.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Boy, I'd be mad that this thing ain't work. Well, yo, I can't complain. Yo, this part cost me $5. So
Where you get it from?
the junkyard, pick and pull. You know what's crazy? I ain't think I was gonna get the part. We was walking out, and then baby kept seeing a whole row of another trucks like in the front. Well, that shit got everything I need. It'd be a whole lot easier if I had a socket set. I need to buy some brand new tools. Look at Dad got.
Mm-hmm.
See, the reason why I wanted to come out here and get this today, I would have to watch videos on like how I did. Make sure I put everything in the right spot. So if I do it the very next day, it's still fresh in my mind. I knew I should have took this. The one on the truck was brand new. so old school. You got that wrench. They ain't had to make this bolt so goddamn long. So I don't have a socket. I don't have a socket that's small enough. I got a 9 and I got a 7, but I got no damn 8. I guess I ain't gotta make it that tight. That shit don't work. I'm about to take that bitch off. Oh, so all I need now is put that battery in. That's some fucking oil. It's low. At least it got some oil in here. I need that spark plug boot off too. I'm probably gonna have to take that spark plug out. That shit rusted. I don't know how the fuck the boot is not on the goddamn spark plug. Makes no sense. I bet you if this shit don't fire, it's gonna be because that fucking boot was left off the whole time. But that's it for this. I may come out here and fuck with it tomorrow. I may put some oil in tomorrow, put the battery on the charger, and see if it cranks. It should crank. I hope it cranks. Please crank. That's it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I think. I know how I am.